Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is the noun, number and gender. Today we are going to read about the bookwork which you have to done in your book. See numbers you show there singular and plural. There can are countable or uncountable, gender masculine and common gender, feminine gender and neuter gender. Now countable noun. This you have to learn singular and plural, jug, jugs, phone, phones. Learn properly. All you have to learn. Now, this is your exercise. First exercise is rewrite these sentences by changing the plural. See, which, witches, broom, brooms, herder, herderers, ox, oxen, match, matches, the dentist's extracted teeth. It's a TEETH teeth. Then receipt recipes recipes requires a potatoes and tomatoes. The books were placed on the shelves. SHELVES shelves. Now the child will be children asked a questions. Then eagle is eagles, and eagles are a birds of prey. The unicorns flew across the sky. Then a mouse is a mice. There are mice in the storerooms. This is the homework you have to do, but a painter paints picture, an actor acts on a movie, a sculpture makes sculptures, a baker bakes cakes, a carpenter makes furniture, a farmer works on farm, a barber cuts hair, an oculist checks your eyesight, a postman delivers letter at your place, a soldier is a person who protects the country, a greengrocer sells green vegetables, a tailor is a person who stitches clothes for others, a plumber repairs pipes and taps, a pilot is a person who flies aeroplanes, a doctor treats patients, a mechanic repairs machines, a butcher sells meat, a driver drives taxi, a gem cutter or a stone cutter cuts stone, a chef CHEIF chef cooks in a restaurant. Now we will move to our next exercise, that is fill in the blanks with the plural form of the noun. First is the Maninder will have visited many countries. Then many good opportunities have been missed by Jack. The storeroom was infested with mice. The street was strewn with leaves as it was autumn. The dentist extracted two of her teeth. Then, sixth one is the neighbors complained against the constant barking of our dog. The rock star sang many songs. Then the traffic halted a couple of minutes because of the gaggle of geese. It's a gaggle of geese. Mr. Gulati's children lives abroad, and Karan Bohra's latest movie is being made in 4 languages. The farmer has a pair of oxen. Then 12th is 4 men were talking by the side of the road. 13 is pastries were distributed among the students, and 14th is La Tomatina is a festival that played with tomatoes in the Spain, and 15th is boxes of chocolates were stacked in the pantry. Countable, which we can count, and uncountable, which we cannot count. So, anger uncountable, chocolate countable, cheese uncountable, book countable, noodles uncountable, soap countable, sunshine uncountable, jug countable, and art uncountable. Now, bookwork, we have to circle the uncountable, and countable will be underlined. So you can see it, the pancake uncountable, bread countable, cake countable, flour uncountable, eggs countable, milk uncountable, countries countable, then desserts, pancakes are countable, cheese uncountable, dish countable, sugar uncountable, lemon countable, juice uncountable, bowl countable, flour and baking powder uncountable, frying pan countable. So this you have to learn now, masculine genders and genders you have to do. First, learn this masculine and feminine gender. Now, rewrite the sentences after changing the gender and underline words. The emperor ordered the manservant. The emperor is empress and manservant is maidservant. Second, the hostesses, it will be the host. A bull, a goose, a doe, and horse will be a cow, a gander, a deer, and a mare. Were purchased by the farmer. I saw a dancing peahen. Peacock will be peahen. Then the lioness will be the lion looks. The tourist visited the grave of the king. The prince will be princess, is the heiress to the throne. Eighth one, the shepherd returned home in the evening. It will be shepherdess returned home in the evening. Now, ninth is the headmaster warned. Headmistress will be headmaster, and nephew will be in the 10th, it's a niece. In the nephew, it will be niece loves eating Chinese food. And you have to fill this box. Bridegroom, bride, buck, doe, villain, vamp, uncle, aunt, lad, lass, fox, vixen. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Fill this book. Take care of your health. We will meet once again. Till then, have a nice day.